Manufactured in Italy, Vertex is the premier brand of aftermarket replacement pistons that offer enthusiasts state-of-the-art, high-quality pistons for dirt bikes, ATVs, and UTVs. Vertex is the choice of those who truly seek optimum performance in any power sport application. Today we're looking at Vertex's two-stroke top-end kits, made to ease the repair and maintenance process by saving you time and money. This kit comes with everything needed to replace your piston, top-end gaskets, and wrist pin bearings in your two-stroke when the time comes. Included in each kit is the piston kit with rings, wrist pin and circlips, a top-end gasket set, and wrist pin bearing. Well known throughout Europe and used by most of the factory race teams there, Vertex Pistons are known as the premium piston brand and are trusted to be the stock OEM two-stroke piston by manufacturers like KTM, Husqvarna, Beta, and Gaskets. When you buy a Vertex piston, you are truly getting factory technology and OEM quality at a very affordable price. Vertex's two-stroke pistons are gravity cast using an aluminum alloy with an 18% silicon content. This is important because silicon decreases the thermal expansion of the piston. The less thermal expansion or distortion a piston has as it warms up means it can be installed and run at tighter tolerances than a piston with lower silicon content, like most forged pistons. Tighter tolerances create better power and performance and make them less susceptible to rattling or breaking. Silicon also prolongs piston life by decreasing wear on the piston skirt. Plus, all Vertex pistons have a molybdenum disulfide coating on the piston skirt for reduced wear and improved break-in, both making for superior durability and longevity. The gaskets used in these top-end kits use hand-selected gasket material designed to seal mating surfaces and outperform OEM material on imperfect surfaces. High-performance interface micropore gasket material is utilized where applicable, ensuring leak-free operation. These top-end gasket kits include every gasket, O-ring, and seal required to rebuild a top end. Plus, the two-stroke top-end kits will include the wrist pin bearing. When the time comes to rebuild the top end of your two-stroke, get yourself a Vertex Piston two-stroke top-end kit. Our products are featured in bike builds for industry-leading magazines while also being used by top factory teams and racers throughout the world. Here's your chance to run what the pros run. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at vertexpistons.com. For factory performance and OEM quality, it can only be a Vertex Piston.